Hey there, it's Eric Evenstad at bootstrapbizgrowth.com, and if you've ever seen any of the videos on this channel, you know that we are big advocates of outsourcing and hiring virtual assistants. I believe that hiring a virtual assistant is one of the most important things that an entrepreneur or solopreneur can do because it allows you to free up time to focus on revenue generating activities that only you can do. You're able to delegate those low value tasks that take up all your time to somebody else at a low rate. So $2 to $3 to $4 per hour, you can outsource low value tasks to a virtual assistant in the Philippines. And again, that frees up time for you to focus on sales or just general activities that are going to help your business grow faster. Or maybe it just allows you to spend more time doing things that you really love outside of work. So we're big proponents of outsourcing and hiring virtual assistants. And in this video, I want to talk about my absolute favorite website for finding those virtual assistants, for finding those superstar VAs that are going to make a huge difference in your business and your life. So my favorite website is Onlinejobs.ph. This is the website that I use every single time when I go to hire a full-time or part-time virtual assistant. This is the website that I recommend all of my students use. So I have a course called The Entrepreneur's Guide to Outsourcing, where I teach entrepreneurs how to find and hire rockstar virtual assistants, and then I show them how to train them successfully, how to onboard them, how to manage them so that they are get up and running doing those tasks on their own. They perform at a high level over time and work with you for years, freeing up that time in your business and in your life. So in that course, this is the exact website that I recommend all my students use to find their outsourced workers, their virtual assistants, and it's just my absolute favorite one. I've tried dozens of different outsourcing websites to find my virtual assistants, and I can tell you that this is the absolute best one. I'm going to pull up my screen here and just kind of walk you through it and show you a couple of things to help you get onboarded, to help you find success with Onlinejobs.ph. The first thing I want to show you is the pricing page. This is a paid website. They have a free version, but I have to say it's pretty worthless because you can't actually message or contact any of the virtual assistants. So what's the point of the site if you can't do that? You will need a pro plan. It's $69 per month, but here's the beauty of that. Once you find a virtual assistant, once you hire somebody, you cancel your Onlinejobs.ph account. You don't need it anymore. You stop paying them, and then you just start paying your virtual assistant directly via PayPal or some other secure payment method. So you just use this site for as long as it takes you to hire somebody. So for most of my students, when they take my course, they have a virtual assistant hired within a month, within 30 days. That's the goal for all my students. So they're only paying a one-time fee of $69. So it's very affordable, and this site really just helps you connect to tens of thousands of high-quality, college-educated, English-speaking virtual assistants that have a wide range of skills. So this is a really great site for that. Sign up for that pro plan. I have a link down below in the description to get that. And then another thing that I'll just show you here before I log into my account is I always tell some people to go here, go to the home page, scroll down, click See More Skills, about 3/4 of the way down the page, down the home page, and here you can kind of just browse through the different types of virtual assistants and outsourced workers. So they're not just admin people. They don't just do online research. You can hire somebody that is skilled at anything. So web development, Joomla developer, SEO, Google AdWords experts, Facebook marketing experts, Craigslist experts, Amazon selling experts. There is such a wide range of virtual assistant skills in here. So just scroll through here and see what you can start to outsource and kind of just click on here. So ClickFunnels, this is the sales funnel platform that I use for my business. I would click on that and I could start to browse through different resumes of people who are experts at ClickFunnels. Then I hire them and they can just get up and running very easily managing my sales funnels and my ClickFunnels. And that's going to free up a lot of time for me to go and do more important tasks. So here there are 278 different people who are ClickFunnels experts that are looking for work on this website. So you can see here, this person is looking for $9 to $10 per hour. That's pretty high. I think we can do better. This person is $2.42, $1.82. We probably want somewhere in the middle, somebody that does have skills and a proven track record with ClickFunnels. So, I'd probably be looking in the $4 to $5 range would be ideal. This person's 364, looking for 20 hours per week. This could be good if I don't need a ton of work done in ClickFunnels. So you can just kind of scroll through here, and then once you have that pro plan, you can contact these people. And what you would do is you would actually upload your job description. So you'd upload a job posting, and then you'd come through here and invite these people to apply to your job. Now, these people would also be notified about your job posting, and they could go and apply for your job themselves. I just always recommend that you go in and you invite top candidates to apply for your job by yourself. So just go in, find the best of the best, send them a link to your job posting and say, hey, I would love it if you would apply for this job. You look like an awesome candidate. We'd love for you to apply and possibly join our team. That's what I do. I'm going to log into my account really quickly just to show you a little bit around my Onlinejobs.ph account. This is the pro plan that I have here, and I just want to show you what that looks like once you do sign up for that pro plan. Okay, so here we are. I'm just going to go back home. Actually, I'm going to go up to my account here. Okay, so here we are in my account. You can see my job post that I have recently. Here is your message center. So this is where you would actually message applicants and candidates for your job. So you could send them the invites through this message center. You can receive incoming messages from them. So you just start to communicate with them in here before you move the conversation to email and off of Onlinejobs.ph. Going back here into my account again, you can see hired workers here. You can go through and bookmark workers. So if you see somebody that you really like, that you want to possibly contact, or you want to come back to and maybe invite to the job, or you maybe just want to check them out at a future time, you can bookmark them and you can see them all in here. If you click view all, you would see that list of high quality candidates that you found. And that's really the bulk of it. It's really easy to use. Again, you are going to just go to the home page. You can browse like I showed you before, or you could do a search. So maybe we wanted to hire an Amazon expert, so I'll just search for Amazon. Maybe we're doing Amazon sales, we have an Amazon store, and we just need help with our listings or doing product research. That is something that Amazon sellers always need help with because there's lots of low value repetitive tasks involved with starting an Amazon store or selling on Amazon. So if you do a search for Amazon, you see almost 6,900, 7,000 people that are Amazon experts, and you could just start searching through here. And you can view their profile. So let's check this person out. Amazon customer seller support, merchant, and fulfilled by Amazon specialists. Okay, this guy's charging $4.85 per hour US, and he's looking for 30 hours per week. He's got 4 years in computer science, informational technology, so highly skilled, highly technical person here. And you can see his age, you can see his IQ score, DISC personality results. And then you can come down here and read the summary of his skills. You can see how he's self-rated, and these are usually pretty accurate, I found. So you can see how they rate themselves on different skills. One that I like to come down and make sure they have pretty good skills at is English and writing skills. So I want to make sure that they can communicate effectively with me. Since they're on the other side of the planet, we need to have clear communications where they understand what I'm asking of them, and I understand if they have questions. We can just communicate back and forth really freely. So I'm looking for a minimum of 3 stars for speaking and writing. 4 or 5 would be ideal, but if they have 3, that's okay. I'm going to move them into the hiring process and start to vet them along with other applicants, and I can just start to have conversations with them before I hire them and make sure that their communication skills are at a level that they need to be. So if I did like this person and I wanted to contact them, I could ask them to apply. So I would click contact, I would send them a message, do a subject line, do a message. You can also create templates in here, which is a feature that I really love because it saves a ton of time when you're inviting dozens of people to apply for your jobs. You can create one email template that's all the same and invite each person using that template to apply. So I'll see if I have one. Here's one. I run a US-based marketing company. This is one I've used in the past when I was hiring a web designer. Here's a link to my job posting. So I posted a job at Onlinejobs.ph. You get a link when you do that, and you post that in here. You send them that, and hopefully they come in and apply. So I'd click send message. So this is how I use Onlinejobs.ph. Again, it's the place that I go every single time when I want to make sure that I'm hiring a superstar virtual assistant to work part-time or full-time. It has made a huge difference in my business. Again, I had a web design company. I still do. I hired a virtual assistant web designer, and she took over all of my company's web design. This allowed me to go out and just focus on getting new clients and communicating with my clients and doing better work for my clients, because I knew that on the back end, this virtual assistant, who I was paying $350 per month full time, they were handling all of the web design for my new clients. So it's that type of thing that is really going to help you grow your business. And that's why I think every entrepreneur and solopreneur needs to hire their own virtual assistant, if not a team of them, because it's really going to help you leverage your time to grow your business and become a more effective entrepreneur. So I would encourage you to go get set up with an account with Onlinejobs.ph. Sign up for their pro plan. I have a link in the description to do that, and hire somebody quickly. Do it in 30 days, do it in 60 days. You don't want to get stuck just paying month after month for this service. Just hire somebody, take action, get it done, and you are really going to transform your life as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, and as a person. So do that. If you need help with the outsourcing process, if you want a step-by-step system where we walk you through the process of finding virtual assistants, figuring out what you need to even outsource in the first place. We show you how to hire them, how to vet these applicants. We walk you through our entire hiring process so that you find the superstar applicants. We show you how to onboard them, how to train them, and then most importantly, how to manage them so that they produce high quality work month after month, day after day for years to come. If you need help with that, if you want to follow our proven 30-day step-by-step system to hiring a perfect virtual assistant for your company, I would highly encourage you to check out our course, The Entrepreneur's Guide to Outsourcing. I'll have a link down below for that, and I hope you check it out to get some help, because it's all about taking action. This course is going to help you do that. Get set up, take action, hire a virtual assistant. I promise you won't regret it. You're going to be hooked on virtual assistants and outsourcing after you put your foot in the water and test it out for yourself. I hope this has been valuable. I hope you take action on this. Go hire a virtual assistant. If you do, let me know about it in the comment field. I want to know about your experience. I want to know about your struggles. What have you learned? What are the benefits of hiring your virtual assistants? So go take action. Let us know how it went for you. And if you have any questions about the process, leave those in the comment field down below. We'll try to help you out through the way. If you have any questions specifically about Onlinejobs.ph, I've been using it for years. I've helped tons of entrepreneurs use it themselves. So I can probably help you out there, or at least point you in the right direction to get appropriate answers. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that big red button down below. We have tons of tips about outsourcing and hiring virtual assistants to free up your time. And we also talk about affordable marketing strategies that work. We talk about tools, tips, and technology that's going to make your life easier as an entrepreneur. The general theme of this YouTube channel is how to grow your business on a budget. That's what we're experts at, and that's what we want to teach you how to do. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, get all of our latest videos when they are released. And then lastly, I just want to thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.